case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In a defining case for workers' compensation, Dora Kaplan, house mother of Alpha Epsilon Phi Sorority, was brought into the limelight in 1950. Kaplan suffered an on-duty injury while undertaking a mixture of personal and employment-related duties. The Minnesota Supreme Court, in a close examination of this case, ushered in a new legal principle, the dominant purpose rule. Kaplan had left the sorority house to buy bandages for the first aid kit and planned to also attend religious services. While on this errand, she slipped on a greasy street curb left behind by Halloween pranksters and broke her hip. Despite her injury being incorporated with both work-related and personal activities, the court had to determine whether it was primarily related to her job as a house mother. The case was initially heard by the Industrial Commission, where Kaplan's compensation was denied. The commissioners failed to correctly apply the law leading to this dismissal, which prompted Kaplan to appeal this decision to the Supreme Court of Minnesota. The Supreme Court then illuminated the dominant purpose rule, stating if an employee's behavior is motivated by both personal and work-related reasons, the dominant purpose would dictate whether the injury would be considered arising out of employment. If the primary task is for the employer, even if it was combined with a personal errand and an injury ensues, it would fall under the purview of employment. The court added that injuries resulting from detours necessary for employer business are considered work-related. It challenged the previous ruling by noting an absence of clarity on whose purpose Kaplan was at the drugstore for. Replying to the poorly applied law by the Industrial Commission, the Supreme Court remanded the case for a rehearing and awarded Kaplan $250 for attorney's fees. Kaplan's case crafted a new shape to the workers' compensation legal framework, amplifying the voice of employees on dual-purpose errands.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.